Moving on, ISIS recruit Arif Majid has been sent to NIA custody till the 8th of December. The 22-year-old was arrested hours after he landed in the city of Mumbai. Before being produced in court, Arif Majid was interrogated by the NIA for more than 8 hours. In the court, prosecution asked for more time to investigate the entire case, stating that 3 more people are wanted in the case and the role played by each of them needs to be probed. Meanwhile, Arif remained silent during the hearing and maintained that he had no complaints. Remember, the NIA, CBI and IB are conducting joint interrogations with Majid, who was earlier believed to have been killed while fighting for the ISIS. A case has been slapped against ISIS and its operatives under Section 125 of the IPC, which deals with waging war against any Asiatic country which has friendly ties with India, entailing maximum punishment of life imprisonment. According to the police, the 4 engineering students flew to Baghdad on the 23rd of May as part of a group of 22 pilgrims to visit religious shrines in Iraq. Agencies are hopeful they can put pressure on Arif to convince others to return to India. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh raised the issue of threat posed by terror group Islamic State. He said misguided Indian youths getting drawn to terror organizations is a concern for India. He also said terror groups like Al-Qaeda won't succeed in their motives in the country. Addressing the crucial national security meet in Guwahati, Rajnath Singh also hit out at Pakistan, saying the state actors from the country play a role in attempts to destabilize India. Questioning the involvement of ISI in acts of terrorism, Rajnath Singh asked if Pakistan's intelligence agency is also a non-state actor.
ISIS के बारे में आप जानते हैं, इसका जन्म इराक और सीरिया में हुआ। लेकिन भले ही इसका जन्म इराक और सीरिया में क्यों न हुआ हो, लेकिन इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट इसे अछूता नहीं रह सकता है। इस हकीकत को भी हमें समझने की आवश्यकता है। और कुछ गिने चुने भारतीय नौजवान भी इस ओर आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। यह भी हमारे लिए एक चिंता का विषय है। जब कभी भी पाकिस्तान के साथ बातचीत होती है तो पाकिस्तान का यह कहना है कि यह नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स हैं जिनके द्वारा इस प्रकार की हरकतें की जा रही हैं। मैं पाकिस्तान के हुक्मरानों से पूछना चाहता हूं कि यदि वह नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स के द्वारा इस प्रकार की आतंकवादी गतिविधियां यदि भारत में की जा रही हैं तो ISI क्या यह भी नॉन स्टेट एक्टर है?
All right, so Rajnath Singh there in Guwahati while addressing the DGPs of several states, talking about the terror threats from the ISIS as well as the Al-Qaeda. This on a day when Arif Majid has been sent to NIA custody till the 8th of December. All eyes will be on whether he will be singing in NIA custody.